So it's a bright and sunny morning. You can't wait to get to school and start your lesson. But your car won't start. What's your plan B? Well, you go to your phone, let the school know that you're not going to make it. You set up a couple lesson plans. Perhaps one of your former students can teach a lesson for you. Or they could do some current events at a local news site with your supplemental lesson plans ready to go. All set.